let us discuss another law, that a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So let us check these properties of this. So if a power n is equals to 1, say a power n is equals to 1. When this is possible, a power n is equals to 1 is if n is equals to 0. If n is equal to 0, then only this will become a power n is equal to 1. Say that a power 0 is equals to 1. So this is possible only if n is equals to 0. Then what about a? Then what a should be? Let us take if a is equals to 1. So a is equals to 1 in that condition. 1 power 1 is equals to 1. 1 power 2 is equals to 1. 1 power 3 is equals to 1. And 1 power 100 is equals to 1. So we can generalize this as 1 power whole power n is equals to 1. So if we can generalize this, 1 to the power of anything is 1 itself. So actually what is 1 here? I take a is equals to 1. So this is possible for any infinitely n. So 1 power, if you take infinite numbers here, the value goes to 1 itself. Okay, understand? And now what if a is equals to minus 1? So if a is equals to minus 1 means minus 1 whole power 1 is minus 1. So this is not valid. Minus 1 whole power 2 is equals to 1. This is valid. Minus 1 whole power 4 is equals to 1. This is valid. So if you keep on observing, so it is valid only if minus 1 something like whole power p is equals to 1, where p must be an even integer. So p must be an even integer. This is possible only if p is an even integer, so that we can write. So understand, students? So this is the rule. So this rule is applicable only when a is equals to 1 and a is equals to negative 1 of the form something power p, where p must be an even integer. Then only this a power n is equals to 1. That is, a power n is nothing but a power 0 is equals to 1. Let us enter into exercise problems. So for simplify and give reasons. Reasons means why you are writing that step, you have to write the reason. So I'll take 2 problems and remaining 2 I'll give for homework. So let me take the first one. So 4 to the power of minus 3. So this can be written as 1 by 4 to the power of n. So how can I write that is, so sorry, not n, this is 4 to the power of 3. Now see, how can I write this is using the law that a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of n. Using this law, that I can write as 4 power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 4 power 3. Let us take another one. See, the third one I'm taking. So I've done first and I'm doing number 3. So what is 3 is 3 over 4, that is 3 by 4 to the power of minus 3, that is equals to, that can be written as 3 by 4 whole power minus 3 is there, no? So this will be reversed. So using the identity, I'll write the first identity. A by b whole power minus m can be written as b by a whole to the power of m. So observe that here the fraction will be reversed to remove the negative sign. So what the conclusion for this is, so we can write 4 by 3 whole to the power of 3. This is the final answer. So here I left it for you 2 problems, number 2 as well as number 2, and do this as homework. Let me take you 3 more examples are there. So let us see the number 2. The second one, if you can see that Evaluate is nothing but we have to simplify this. Minus 4 to the power of minus 2. So using exponents laws we have to simplify this. So what is the suitable law for this is, so I'll use that a to the power of minus m is equals to 1 by a to the power of m. I'll use this law to find the answer for this. So that is equals to 1 by minus 4 whole to the power of 2. This can be written as 1 by minus 4 whole power 2. This is the answer, and we can further simplify this as, so minus 4 whole power 2 can be written as minus 4 times of minus 4. The result is 4 times of 4 is 16, and minus into minus is plus, so answer is 16. So 1 by 16 is the answer. So let us take see one more example, number 3. So in this example, if you can look at that, 1 by 2 whole to the power of negative 5. Same rule I am using here. This can be written as 2 by 1 whole power 5. What is the rule? Just now we have discussed that a to the power of b whole power minus m can be written as b by a whole power m. So that is equals to 2 by 1 whole power 5. So it can be written as 2 to the power of 5. So 2 to the power of 5 means 2 is multiplied for 5 times. So 2 times of 2 is 4, 4 times of 2 is 8, 8 times of 2 is 16, 16 times of 2 is 32. So the answer is 32. This is the answer. So the remaining problem, we'll do this as homework. So this is the second section of your exercise. So let us simplify the following exponents using laws of exponents. So the first one, so see the first one. So what is the first one is given is 1 by 2 whole power 4 times 1 by 2 whole power 5 into 1 by 2 whole power 6. Now see that. So if you can observe that clearly, bases are equal. So that bases are equal. We know the rule. If bases are equal, powers can be added. What is that rule? A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n. So using this rule, we can solve. What if something like a to the power of m into a to the power of n into a to the power of something k is given? This can be written as a to the power of m plus n plus k. We can write this. We can extend the law up to as many times. So however the base is, the power can be added. See that. So 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 5 plus 6. Now how much it is? 1 by 2 whole to the power of 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. This is our final answer. And we'll take one more. I'll take number 3 here. So let us solve number 3. So number 3, what given is 4 to the power of 4 times 5 by 4 whole to the power of 4. Let's see that. So what I do is, I'll use a rule here. What is that rule? That a by b whole power m can be written as a power m by b power m. So I'll use this condition here to simplify this. So that can be written as 4 to the power of 4 into 5 to the power of 4 by 4 to the power of 4. Now clearly 4 to the power of 4 and 4 to the power of 4 will get cancelled. What is remaining is 5 to the power of 4. This is the answer. Understand, students? Let me solve number 4 for you. So here I'll solve that. Number 4. So what gave is 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 times 5 to the power of 3. So I'll give a hint here for that. So that you solve that. So here I am giving an hint for you is, so use the law. Which law it is suitable for this is a power m by b power m. Use this law to solve this problem and you'll get the answer. Okay, and yeah, solve these remaining problems. So do this as homework. So better you copy in the classwork itself. So make a note of all the problems. Let's solve these problems. So let us solve the first one. The first one is minus 4 whole to the power of 5 divided by minus 4 whole to the power of 8. So how can we solve this? First write it as fractional form, minus 4 whole power 5 by minus 4 whole power 8. So how can we solve this? So this is of the form a to the power of m by a to the power of n, where if this is m and if this is n, so here m is less than n. Here m is less than n, so we can write this as 1 by a to the power of n minus m. This is to be used here. So write this answer, that is equals to 1 by minus 4 to the power of 8 minus 5. That can be written as 1 by minus 4 whole power 3. So this is the answer. So let me solve it for you. One more problem. Here I'll take number 4. So here I'll take number 4 here. So yeah, I'll rub this. Yeah. So number 4 here, 3 to the power of minus 7 divided by 3 to the power of minus 10 times 3 to the power of minus 5. So here just solve the bracket first. 3 to the power of minus 7 by 3 to the power of minus 10. So into 3 to the power of minus 5. So same thing. So we can solve in multiple ways. So what I do is I'll solve as usually the previous one. So I'll use this law, that a power m by a power n rule. So use the rule. So here minus 7 and minus 10 is there. So minus 7 is greater than minus 10. So I'll use condition that m is greater than n condition. So if m is greater than n, I can write a power m minus n. So here what it comes is 3 to the power of minus 7 minus of minus 10 times 3 to the power of minus 5. So 3 to the power of minus 7 plus 10. Minus into minus is plus 10 times 3 to the power of minus 5. So what is the answer is 3 to the power of minus 7 plus 10 is how much? 3 times 3 to the power of minus 5. Here if you can observe clearly, both the bases are equal. Here the basis is what? 3 is the base and 3 is the base. So if the bases are equal, so we can add the powers. So that is equals to 3 to the power of 3 plus of minus 5. So that can be written as 3 to the power of minus 2. This is the final answer. Hope you understand this. And yeah, so what about this thing? Yeah, second problem and the third, and I left for you number 5. Solve these problems. Yeah, I'll give hint for this second one. How to solve this? Use the rule a power m whole power n rule use here. So using this law you can solve this one. And the same thing we can use, what is suitable for this is, for number 3 you better use a by b whole power m. Use the rule a by b whole power m. And number 5, use the negative exponent, that a power minus m rule. So using those rules, solve this as homework. Understand kids how to solve these problems? So hope you understand this. So using laws of exponents we can solve all the problems. For that thing is, you must thorough with your laws of exponents. Okay, so copy these problems and solve the remaining problems in your classwork itself. Make them in an order, so you'll get all the solutions in a line, and upcoming do this and try this problem also I am giving in this video lectures. Okay.